All right, good morning. It is Wednesday, February 2nd. And it appears that the major indices are still climbing up out of the hole. We'll keep an eye on them. Wow, that was a close call. We got hillbillies here running up. Oh, it might fill it now. Shit, we're probably going to get filled right here. I was going to. Oh, we got lucky twice now. That's crazy. We've got our order there at $3.73. We'll see if it pushes through here. I almost don't want to get it filled. But there it is there. So now I'm going to want to try and take some money out of this before it's going to want to rip my face off here, I can tell. Look at it. Oh man, I don't know if our stop's in the right place, that's for sure. We did put it up a little high because the risk was pretty far out, right? So 350 would be. It's just that a stock like this has a chance to, really explode here, right? Like we've got a lot of volume coming in here. Explode both ways. And again, this one didn't really check all the boxes. We really couldn't get any real new news on it. This is a EV kind of play. They do like what do you call it, a electric scooter kind of thing. I call the stock hillbillies, but yeah, it does like these electric scooter things. So I don't know. Sometimes these low floaters, they really want to rock. Where it is there, we got to short float there, 3.8 million. I can't spend a lot of time here. Got to get back to the chart here, right? Look at that spike up. Ay, that doesn't look great. I don't know. Oh, selling limit there for 400 units. That'd be roughly 1/3 of the position, right? Yeah, and there's the liquidity. So good, we got filled. Holy shit, I thought we weren't going to get filled there. So now we have 900 pieces left of a $3.73 position. I normally don't move it up that fast, but now I've moved that up to a break even. So if it comes back, we'll break even. I was thinking about just taking it even right there to that line, and taking a few more pennies out of it. But we want to give it some room. This is just a pullback. It could just be a pullback, a slight breath. So we don't want to get shaken out, but we don't want to. You don't want to really lose a ton of money here either, right? So profile shows if we can get above $3.89, we should be able to kind of go. Maybe we should record that on this screen to help anybody see it. There's the 89. So see how we're having trouble here at the 89? Yeah, there's the stop out. Son of a. We might get. See, so the 89 did hold a resistance there, right? See that? So did we make the wrong choice? Did we make the wrong choice? We broke even there. Hopefully, it was a break even. Might have pushed through, and the liquidity might have, who knows? We might have lost $10 there. There it is there. So the first sell limit was $76 in profit. The turnaround on that stop actually got us right on the money, so we were actually $0 loss there on that stop out. Yeah, see on the $0 stop out. $15 round trip, right? One in, one out, one sell. So not too bad, but did we make the wrong choice? We'll have to wait and see. Hillbillies. Yeehaw! Hillbillies. I'm going to try and stress this more and more and more. It is not what you trade, it is how you trade it, because when you do it in real time, every time it makes it very challenging. So like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. We take $76 in profit. Yeah, I know that probably doesn't sound that great, but you know what? Profit in your pocket is better, and like I say, it is all a game of zeros. So that could have been $76. It could have been $760. That could have been $7,600. You never know. The point of this is to win trades. That's all we're here to do. We're trying to get the profits, right? So, you know, everybody can be like, oh, do this ticker, do that ticker. It's not about that. It's the execution mindset. Execution mindset. So how does it? How does your attitude change now on this? Because it's starting to peel out, right? Are you starting to get a little bit of the FOMO? Maybe I'll make that bigger for you. There you go. Are you starting to get a little FOMO here that we're missing out on it, right? I don't know. Maybe we don't chase it. Don't chase it. We got to start to think about this and try and, you know, keep more profits in your pocket than you are giving it back, because experimentation will lead to more you giving it back, right? So we record this in real time every time, and it's when to trade, how to think to take profits, when to trade to take profits, how to think to take small losses. And rule number one is don't do anything stupid by giving the money back. You've got to take your shots, man, and then that's it. We'll see. This is hillbillies. This is a piece of shit stock, right? So yeah, good. We got money. There you go. You know, this is a really tough job. That's why we need partners to help with it. Um, you know, while we were messing around with this one with the 2% win or whatever it was, not even a 1% win on a rinky-dink position, and then we have one that we just missed that was a 10% run, and it was pretty simple. Yeah, and this is a ticker we've hit in the past, right? XELA. It's a low price. It's still under $1. But look at here it is here. Here's that bridge that I'm always kind of talking about here. Um, you you're gonna make a decision here. It's gonna want to do one or the other, and I'm gonna suggest that it's gonna want to go down here. Um, Let me pull it out so the chart so you can see the whole chart here. Look at there's the move. We've got orders. We've played this a few times in the last bit, right? So here's the actual, you know, yesterday was a hell of a banging day too, right? We kind of missed that one too. Ah, dang it, right? So yeah, here's the rollover I would think on XELA. But anyway, I typically don't like messing around, bouncing around from ticker to ticker. I like to focus and put all our energy in the way that this one is working. It's up to you how you want to play it, but I feel like you know, like it's making you feel right now. It's making me feel. I like to examine it anyway, because then I can understand where I've gone wrong, right? So it's making me feel like I should want to get in. What is one of my things? It's like almost always, you know, kind of do the opposite of what you feel. I think this might want to just turn around and burn everybody here. But again, I don't have my crystal ball. It's not as shiny as it could be. So it's tough to know here. We're just going to have to watch the volume. I couldn't pick up any new news on this either, so it wasn't like I'm like, yeah, look at it's got a brand new. Here, let me go back to it, just so nobody forgets. Yeah, we got a brand new scooter, right? Like, does that really? Wow, great! You got a brand new scooter. Like, that's really not gonna. Right? You get what I'm trying to say? Like, what is so friggin', you know, how does that change the planet? How does that make this stock, or it doesn't have to change the planet, but I mean, why would this stock go up? It's already up 24% on the day. So, you know, for a $3 and whatever cent stock, that's a pretty damn good day. 20%, 24% up. That's giving your longtime investors a real boost, eh? Look at that dirty. See? What did I? Oh, hang around, guys. Hang around. Hang around, man. Hang around. This is what I'm going to say. Like, share, subscribe. Because, like, hang around. Look at that. What did I just tell you? And it made you feel like you were doing the wrong thing too. Like you were like, oh, you shouldn't, you should buy, but you should do the opposite. And then it made me feel like, you know what, sometimes you're wrong. But look at that. What kind of a pullback is that? That is a 5% candle right there. So if you were to have a stop in place, um, yeah, I would have been stopped out, and especially at this VWAP line. Where are we going to do it? We're going to say like, share, subscribe again. It's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. Oh, we can do this, and we do it in real time every time, right? And if you don't ring that notification bell, and potentially leave me some comments, you won't get your high fives until the next bounce, everyone. I'm just going to show it some more because look at it. It's just wanting to kill itself some more. It's beautiful. Anyway, until the next bounce, everyone.